Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Anne and I love sharing videos, everything about beads and fun beading projects. For today's video, we're going to make bracelets using these beautiful glass beads that I got from Pandahall. So if you're not familiar with Pandahall, Pandahall is one of the largest suppliers of jewelry findings and finished jewelry in China. And if you're planning to order any of the products I'm using, I have a special discount just for you. Use my code YXYTAN at checkout to get 10% off your order at Pandahall. Now, let's get back to the video. For the materials, you'll need string. I use a flat string, but you can also use crystal string. Prepare some charms or pendants, long nose and flat nose pliers or any pliers you have, and scissors to cut the cord. Beadboard is optional. If you already know your design, you can bead directly onto the cord. Once all the materials are ready, you can start designing your bracelet. What I love about this glass beads pack is that they come in different colors and designs, so you can easily mix and match to create your own style. We'll need some charms or pendant to make our bracelet more unique and eye-catching. Adding charms is a great way to give your bracelet more personality and extra detail. After arranging your beads on your beadboard and finalizing your design, you can finally start beading and bringing your bracelet to life. But first, cut about 50 cm or 25 inches of your string and make sure to leave a little extra length for tying the knot later. Fold the string in half to create a double strand so it becomes stronger and won't break easily. When tying, take the other strand of the cord and carefully insert it through the hole on the opposite side. Tying the cord is really simple. Just make a regular knot and pull it tight to secure the beads. You can follow the video closely as I demonstrate exactly how I tie mine step by step. Just cut the excess cord and tuck the knot inside one of the beads to hide it and keep your bracelet looking clean and neat. To add a pendant or charm, you'll need a jump ring. Simply use your pliers to open the jump ring, attach the pendant, and add it to your bracelet. Close the jump ring to secure it, and that's it. Making bracelet is super easy, and since these are beginner friendly, they are perfect if you're thinking about selling your own accessories. Now we're going to make the bracelet in other colors. Just follow the same steps we did earlier. If you enjoyed watching this video, leave a comment down below and let me know what color of bracelet you'd like me to make next. And if you're looking for beads or glass beads, you can check out Pandahall. They have so many designs on their website. Not just glass beads, but lots of other jewelry making materials too. So sit back, relax, and have fun watching the rest of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making these bracelets with me. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel for more beading projects, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. If you're looking for beads or jewelry making supplies, check out Pandahall. They have so many designs to choose from. You can use my special discount code YXYTAN at checkout to get 10% off your order. Again, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.